Hi, I'm David Hakimi with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of Meritage Homes' new Woodland model. The Woodland is part of their Meadow collection, and we're going to look at that model today in the Varra neighborhood of Broomfield, Colorado. The Woodland is 1,874 square feet, and we're going to tour it in a 3-bed, 2.5-bath configuration today. It scored 660 points out of a possible 1,575 points on my 100% fully objective scoring model. If you want to download that scorecard and see exactly what we gave it credit for and what we took off points for, download that scorecard at the link in the description below. The main floor is an open concept with a spacious kitchen opening into a wide open den. The kitchen itself features a large island with quartz countertops, ample white cabinetry, and white backsplash. This particular model featured upper middle of the line Whirlpool appliances with a double oven gas stove, an over-the-range microwave, a dishwasher with a stainless steel interior, and a side-by-side Whirlpool refrigerator. The upstairs layout features 3 bedrooms and a loft as well as a laundry room. Like I said, the laundry room itself is upstairs and it's next to the secondary bedrooms. It's actually quite large with room to put hanging rods and cabinets above the washer and dryer if you're so inclined. The home features the following smart home features: a smart thermostat, a Ring doorbell, a security system, keyless entry, and even a smart garage door opener. The master bedroom itself is spacious and features an ensuite bathroom with his and hers sinks in the vanity top, and it leads directly back to a massive walk-in closet. To sum it up, the things that I really loved about this house were the massive open concept den, the fact that they were able to squeeze 3 bedrooms plus a loft into this amount of square footage and make it actually flow well. A 2-car garage that's attached to the unit with direct access is also fantastic. And like all Meritage homes, this home is extremely well insulated. Meritage prides themselves on their energy efficiency, and they probably do that better than any tract home builder, with spray foam insulation in the attics to make sure that your energy bills are as low as possible. As with any home, there's always a few things the builder could have done a little bit better that would have made me like it even more. This house is no exception. I would have loved to have seen a fenced backyard for people who have small pets and want to let a little dog out. I would have also liked to see a crawl space instead of a slab foundation to give you room to store your Halloween items and Christmas decorations, etc. And last, one thing that I found a little bit odd about these is that Meritage did not put a fan-rated box in the center of the ceiling in either of the secondary bedrooms. So in these houses, it's going to be impossible to put a ceiling fan in the rooms other than the master. Meritage builds the Woodland in several communities all across the Front Range. This particular Woodland that we looked at in Varra was priced at $585,000. However, in other parts of town, you could find them quite a bit cheaper than that, and there may be parts of town where they're more money as well. Meritage is currently offering some fantastic financing specials with below market interest rates to help you get into this home and beat the current high rates. Right now, if you qualify and go through Meritage's lender, and they are going to give you $5,000 towards the closing cost on that loan with the use of their lender. In addition to the low interest rate, they're also currently offering a free washer dryer, a free refrigerator, and free blinds throughout the house. Now that applies only to the quick possession models they have that can close within 30 days, but I'm being told right now there are over 50 to 60 of those currently along the Front Range. And finally, to top it off, if you buy this through me, I'll give you an additional $3,000 to go along with the $5,000 they give you, so that you have $8,000 total towards closing costs. This is an agent contribution. I cannot give it back in cash, but I will apply it toward your closing costs. So their $5,000 plus my $3,000 should almost eliminate your closing cost and escrow requirements. Once again, I'm David Hakimi with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and I'm one of the top agents in Colorado who specializes in new construction purchases. I would love to personally accompany you to help you find a new home. Remember, it doesn't cost you anything out of pocket to have agent representation, and it doesn't change the price that you pay for the home. Builders pay your agent's commission just like any other sellers. I ask all the important questions that most people would never think to ask on your own. I'm definitely there to represent your best interest, so you have nothing to lose by taking agent representation, but you've got a ton to gain. If you want to see other walkthrough tours, neighborhood videos, or new construction topics in general, click the link below and YouTube will show you all of my other topics. Also, if you like this video today, remember to like and subscribe to the channel so that you can see everything else that we put out in the future.